In this video, you will learn about the available dashboards that can be found in the administrative portal, Executive and Metrics. You will see how the dashboards can be modified to fit your needs, as well as learn about the available data in each dashboard. Dashboards were integrated as a way to provide a higher-level graphical display of the daily performance of your call center. Unlike monitoring, which provides a live, detailed display of individual agent, queue, and IVR performance, the dashboards allow you to see performance numbers cumulatively across the call center. Consider the dashboards and monitoring screen as a hierarchy of data, and call center activity with executive being at the top and monitoring at the bottom. A call center manager may want to focus on the executive dashboard data, whereas team leaders would utilize the monitoring screen to focus on individual queues and agents and have the ability to interact with those agents. The executive dashboard presents the data as seen here: service level, call center metrics, call volume, call distribution, top call classifications, and current agent activities. Service level is the percentage of calls answered within the acceptable waiting time, or AWT. Calculated from the number of calls answered within the acceptable waiting time, divided by the total number of calls queued, but excludes any calls that were abandoned in less time than the AWT. The default stats are all queues, but this can be separated by queue utilizing the drop-down menu. Call center metrics also defaults to all queues and can also be changed. This chart displays data driven by answer rate and call handle times. Call volume, per queue or all queues, shows the number of calls entering queues by time of day. This field can be useful in spotting your peak hours of activity. For call distribution, top queues today will give a view of the percentage of calls that reached individual queues. Queues will show along the left-hand side of the chart, and their percentages will be displayed in a linear graph across the chart. Top call classifications is similar to call distribution, but will be separated by classification subject and will reflect a number count as opposed to a percentage. Top call classifications can also be viewed in a by queue fashion. Lastly, current agent activities will separate the graph along the left into each available agent status, and horizontally by the number of agents. Unlike the other statistics, current agent activities can be separated in a by team basis instead of by queue. On the metrics dashboard, or the mid-level call details, you can see that it is divided into two sections: inbound voice queues and teams. Either section can be expanded or collapsed for ease of view, and both have the ability to view all, or be more concise by using the drop-down menu to view data by queue or team. Inbound voice queues displays the service level along the top of the viewers, as well as current metrics for the queue or queues, and daily metrics. Daily metrics are a representation of the entire current day, and not shifts. Current metrics are a visual representation of what is happening in voice queues at this moment, considering a 30-second refresh rate. The Teams dashboard is a more occupancy agent-focused display. Occupancy rate is displayed along the top of this section in place of service level, and the current and daily metrics displayed focus on agent statuses, and the contacts are separated by both type and the way the agent handled the calls. For example, was the interaction voice, chat, or email? Or did the agents transfer an inordinate number of calls today? As with inbound voice, daily metrics are cumulative of the day, and current metrics are current within the 30-second refresh. We hope this lesson on dashboards will assist you in being able to find and view pertinent data, so you may be able to watch over your call center performance. Thank you for watching.
Orchestrating a Brighter World, NEC.